Okay, so here's a little video. I've got two pieces done with the X-Carve. The square one was done before the upgrade where you could access X, Y, Z movement on the main screen. The square one was done before the upgrade. The round one was done after. You can see on this rectangle one, everything lined up in the box the way I wanted, using center to material option in the menu. The carving itself I did in multi-page, multi-carve steps with different bits, and it came out okay. I mean, this is the second carving I've ever done, and I've only had the X-Carve for 2 weeks. Built it last weekend, and this is what I did this week with it. So far, not too bad. Okay, then I tried something a little bit more ambitious and used a round piece of wood and used a large square to set my home position, but everything is off. You see the butterflies, how close they are to the line here at the bottom, and separate from the top. The center looks centered. I haven't measured it yet, but you can see the dots here, and the flowers are pretty centered up. This carved deep, my mistake. Setting was set to fill. I should have had it to outline. But here, and this is twice it's happened, the router has, starting a carve, these butterflies, the router just dove right in to the wood. This is the second time that's done that, and I don't know why it's doing that. So have a look and see if you see anything. Now, this ring appears to be closer here than it is on the other side, and I haven't measured this. I'm just doing the video to show. So anyway, if anybody has a clue and can lead me to a direction of what I need to do to get this fixed, that would be great. Thanks.